Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Tahira Madani with name 33240020. So, in this presentation, I will discuss my syntactic analysis of simple sentences in William Wordsworth's poem, namely, I wandered lonely as a cloud. This presentation will cover the background, the theoretical framework, the syntax trees, and how simple structures build poems' meaning. Poetry is often seen as complex, but in reality, many poems use simple grammatical structures to express powerful imagery and emotion. Wordsworth's I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud is a good example. Most previous studies focus on imagery and symbolism, but not many pay attention to syntax. So, this mini research aims to explore how simple sentences in the poem function and how they help create the emotional and visual effect that Wordsworth intended. To guide this study, there are three main research questions. First, what simple sentence pattern appear in the poem? Second, what functions do patterns have in terms meaning and atmosphere? And third, how do the syntactic choices reflect Wordsworth's romantic style and his preference for natural and emotional expression? The object of this research is the poem itself. I focused only on identifying simple clauses, analyzing their structure, and interpreting their function. This study uses a descriptive qualitative method supported by syntactic theory and stylistic analysis. The data are taken from the poem, linguistic journals, and literary research that discuss Wordsworth and poetic structures. This research is based on Chomsky's structural model, where a simple sentence is defined as one independent clause consisting of a subject and a predicate. Because this is a poetry, stylistic elements also play a role. Poets often use inversion, fronting, or additional modifiers for artistic effect. Combining syntax and stylistics help me understand not just how the sentences are formed, but why Wordsworth chose those forms. Let's move to the analysis of syntax tree. The first sentence is I wandered lonely as a cloud. This sentence is one of the most iconic lines in the poem. Structurally, it is very simple. One subject is I, and one predicate is wandered. However, Wordsworth enriches the meaning with the adverb lonely and the prepositional phrase as a cloud, creating a strong emotional tone. The syntax tree shows that even though the sentence is simple, the modifiers add depth and connect to Wordsworth's theme of solitude and reflection. Second, the sentence is they stretched a never-ending line along the margin of a bay. In this line, the subject is they, referring to the daffodils. The verb stretched is intransitive but expanded by two prepositional phrases. These preposition phrases give a sense of movement and continuity, allowing readers to imagine the long line of flowers. The tree structure reveals how Wordsworth keeps the grammar simple but adds layers of visual detail. Next, the sentence is 10,000 saw I at a glance. This sentence uses inversion, which is common in poetry. Instead of saying I saw 10,000, Wordsworth placed 10,000 at the beginning for emphasis. The inversion also helps maintain the poem's rhythmic pattern. The syntax tree makes it clear that the sentence is still a simple clause, even though the order is artistic rather than typical. Next, there is the waves beside them danced. This line personifies the waves, showing them dancing beside the daffodils. The noun phrase includes the preposition phrase beside them, linking the waves closely to the flowers and creating a lively natural scene. Again, the structure is very simple, just one clause but through choice of verb and modifiers, Wordsworth creates movement, harmony, and emotion. The last sentence is "My heart with pleasure fills." This line also uses inversion. Instead of the usual "my heart fills with pleasure," Wordsworth places the preposition phrase earlier. The inversion gives a smoother rhythm and draws attention to the emotion with pleasure. Even with this artistic twist, the structure remains a basic simple sentence which supports the poem's theme of clear, genuine emotional experience. To conclude my presentation, this analysis shows that Wordsworth relies heavily on simple sentence structures to express emotional clarity and vivid imagery. Even though the grammar remains straightforward, he skillfully uses modifiers, professional phrases, and inversion to create a poetic rhythm and strong visual scenes. These choices reflect the Romantic style, which values natural language and sincere emotional expression. Overall, the study reveals that simple syntax plays an essential role in shaping the poem's meaning, atmosphere, and lasting impact on readers.